सी इंटरमीडिएट का रिजल्ट आ गया है, देखते हैं क्या होता है। ओवर 15648। अरे 4154648 ERO 0261485 39CHMG। यस भाई हो गया। So I just cleared my CA intermediate journey and went. I'm not getting my words right now. I entered CA final now. Although it's not a proud moment to say for me, but for me it's a proud moment because at the age of giving final, becoming a CA, I'm just clearing CA intermediate. So, but it's behind there are a lot of struggles, and I did my best I could, and finally I did. Because of him I cleared, because of everyone, my parents who never doubted on me, and most specifically my two friends Satyam Patra, shout out to them, and Masum Mehra. And although those were with me, my sisters, those were concerned about me, about my life, because I'm gonna talk about it later, but let's just celebrate. I got in cost and management accounting 83, audit and ethics 48, and FMSM, that is financial management, strategic management 47. My prediction was almost perfect for audit, for costing. My highest was 82 and lowest was 77, where I got 83. FMSM last just yesterday I got panicked because I was confident about the MCQs, but something happened. Yeah, MCQs audit I got 48, where I was expecting 61 or 58, and FMSM I was expecting 45, and now I got 48 highest, 47 got. Thank you.